you are working on Excel, right? And you just want to actually add some drop down menus, or you can, where you can actually select a what, let's say a job title here. Instead of retyping the same thing again and again, right? You can actually click and actually select anything which is available. So to do that, right, you have to come here, right, underneath, then you click and create a new sheet. Then with me, I've got what, the listing of everything which I need, right? These are the job roles which are available on the company. I'm gonna copy it, then I come here under column A, row A, then I'm gonna paste it just like that. So to organize things, I'm just gonna click on this icon, then double click in between A and B so that you can actually adjust the width. This is not necessary, but just a tip. So then I can actually come here, then I'm gonna rename it, and I'm gonna call it what, job titles. Then click Ctrl S to save. Then I'm gonna go back to the employee register, right? Then under the job title, I'm gonna select E, right? I'm gonna select this what column, then go where it says what, data. Then I'm gonna find where it says data validation here. Click that drop down menu, then click where it says data validation. After clicking it, right, you see I had already done this, right? So you might actually come here and actually see something like any value. You click here and allow list. Then I'm gonna clear everything, right, so that you actually know what's gonna happen. So by actually selecting this space, right, you go and actually select the source of the what, of the source of where you want the information to be taken from. So highlight here, go under job titles, you see it will highlight. Then I'm gonna say I want to select from what, row A, column A, just like that. Then I'm gonna click OK. And then when I come here, right, then I click on this one, I'll see I can actually choose any position for anyone who I'm going to fill in the space. Okay, you see, anything you can do it, etc. Then you can actually what, control save and save your what, your file. So you'll be just adding your employee information row by row and just clicking save. So the other thing which you should take note, right, if you're using a Windows computer, right, you can actually connect your OneDrive, right, so that everything which you'll be doing or working on, right, in your company, everything will be actually saved in the cloud, so that in case if anything happens, or maybe you get loss of a computer, the files are already what, stored in your what, in your cloud system.